everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone relying on their DYMO LabelWriter printer. The replacement 10FT USB cord, specifically designed for models like the 310, 320, 330, 400, and 450 Turbo. If you've ever found yourself struggling with a lost, damaged, or simply too short USB cable for your label printer, then this product is definitely going to catch your attention. One of the immediate standout features of this replacement cord is its generous 10-foot length. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a game changer for workspace organization and flexibility. No longer are you tethered to an outlet or forced to place your printer in an inconvenient spot. That extra length allows for much greater freedom in arranging your desk or office setup, reducing clutter, and making your printer accessible exactly where you need it. Imagine being able to tuck your LabelWriter neatly under a shelf or behind your monitor, without the cable straining or creating an unsightly mess. This cord makes that a reality, providing ample reach for almost any configuration. Beyond its practical length, the clear or CLR design is another thoughtful touch. While it might seem like a small detail, a clear cable tends to blend seamlessly into most environments, making it less obtrusive than a standard black or white cord. It contributes to a cleaner, more professional aesthetic, which is always a welcome bonus in any workspace. It's a subtle detail that speaks to a product designed with both functionality and appearance in mind. Compatibility is, of course, paramount with any replacement part, and this cord delivers. It's engineered to be a perfect fit for a wide array of popular DYMO LabelWriter models, including the 310, 320, 330, 400, and the robust 450 Turbo. This broad compatibility means that a significant number of DYMO users can confidently pick up this cord, knowing it will integrate flawlessly with their existing setup. The connection is consistently stable, ensuring reliable data transfer from your computer to your printer, which is absolutely critical for accurate and uninterrupted label printing. There's nothing more frustrating than a flaky connection interrupting a print job, and this cord aims to eliminate that headache. The construction feels robust, suggesting it's built to withstand the daily demands of an active office or home environment. It's designed to provide a secure, snug fit into both your printer and your computer's USB port, minimizing the chances of accidental disconnections. For anyone seeking a dependable, high-quality alternative to an original equipment manufacturer cable, or simply an upgrade that offers more flexibility and a cleaner look, this 10FT clear USB cord for DYMO LabelWriter printers presents itself as an excellent choice. It's a practical investment that enhances the usability and aesthetics of your label printing setup, ensuring your DYMO printer is always ready to perform when you need it most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.